Hello. Thank you so much for coming back. For those who are new here, my name is Courtney Shavontae, and Courtney Shavontae is also my brand. Under my brand, we have Bougie Hippie, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys another Bougie Hippie tutorial on how I kind of help create a smooth customer experience and just bring some fun to my brand. So one of the things I put inside all my goodie bags, I have goodie bags that I send out with all my orders. It has a thank you note, it has some freebies in there, goes with every single order so every customer knows that they are valued and appreciated. One of the things that do come inside that is this do-it-yourself a scratch-off card. So I really love to use these because it just kind of helps create the brand experience that I'm trying to have. Like, I do want people to know that this is a fun place to be and everything. So I use these not only for my gift bags, but also for pop-up shops that I attend. I'll have someone go out onto the floor and pass them out and say, hey, scratch this off, see if you're a winner, and come over to the table. So that way you can collect your prize or whatever it is that is on the back of this card. So I'm not going to waste too much more time. I'm going to show you guys how I did this from start to finish. It's super easy, so just stay tuned and you'll be able to put one of these inside your gift bags too.